Hello, students of class 12 hours. Today I am going to discuss with you the chapter just after the Second World War, Cold War, 1945 to 1991. Here the picture you can see from left to right, sitting British Prime Minister Churchill, American President Roosevelt, and Russian Premier Joseph Stalin. These three, Britain, America, and Russia, these three parties, they join hand together against the Axis power, Germany, Italy, and Japan during the Second World War. But wartime friendship came to an end after the Second World War. Actually, Cold War, neither the war nor a peace. It is war of words or the propaganda war. During Second World War, Britain, France, America, Russia, they fight soldier to soldier against Rome, Bali, Tokyo Axis formed by Germany, Italy, and Japan. Now, question is there, why this wartime friendship turn into cordial relation, turn into distrust and especially mutual jealousies, tensions, and most important, that is ideological differences. In 1917, Russia turned into communist after the First World War because she was defeated 2 times by Germany, and in Russia, first time in world history, Russia turned into a communist country. The communism, it is a Karl Marx theory. According to communism, there must not be any differences between rich and poor. They wanted to stop the gap between rich and poor, so that total country's wealth it was owned by Russian Communist Party, and they wanted to distribute among the common people. The equality between all classes of people, it was happened in Russia after 1917. That is a collectivization, 5-year plan. Russia turned into especially a socialist country. It is called, actually Karl Marx written in his book Das Kapital, freedom of proletariat. Proletariat means freedom of peasants and workers, grassroots level people. Now, the most important fact was there, why there was Cold War after the Second World War. This is the number one point, the mutual differences between West and East. Actually, America, a democratic pattern of country we call Western countries, and the communism and socialist pattern of society we call Eastern countries. The communist government, when Karl Marx theory, again I am repeating, according to this Karl Marx, what he has mentioned in his book Das Kapital, the freedom of proletariat. Here proletariat means freedom of peasants and workers. That means they wanted to give total freedom to grassroots level people. Therefore, after that First World War, whatever property of Tsar Nicholas II and his all family's members, even rich people, that all actually owned by the state, Russian state, and they equally distributed to landless peasant. That is a great idea of Karl Marx. So the democratic country, America, they did not believe that one. They believe in private ownership. That is the difference between communism and democratic pattern of society. This is the basic differences and mutual differences led to the Cold War between American bloc and the Russian bloc. After the Second World War, total world divided into two superpower blocks, one headed by America, one headed by Russia. We call bipolar world. Bipolar means total world divided into two superpower blocks. Russia wanted to trying to level best to bring all countries under communist banner. Therefore, 1945 to 48, all Eastern European countries turned into communist. All Eastern European countries turned into communist. There is communist government formed. Czechoslovakia was the last country. It was democratic country turned into communist in 1948. Before that, before Czechoslovakia, Albania, Romania, Hungary, all countries, Bulgaria, even Eastern Germany also turned into communist, because according to the Yalta Conference, Eastern Germany communist government formed, because German one divided into four zones. Eastern German got by Russia, so there is communist government formed. So even Eastern Germany also turned into communist. So therefore, these actually differences and distrust, conflict, jealousies, it is actually not actual fighting. That is why it is called war of words that led to the Cold War. Now I am going to tell you that actually your reduced syllabus, it is mentioned the first 4 points, which is actually causes for the Cold War, that is reasons for Cold War, the Yalta Conference, Potsdam Conference, Truman Doctrine, and Marshall Plan. Yalta Conference, it was held before ending of Second World War, the month of February, and Second World War over, it was 1945, 15th August. That Yalta, the city, it was actually in Russia. All three heads, here you can see the picture, they actually attended the Yalta Conference. Again I am repeating, look at the picture from left side, British Prime Minister Churchill, middle sitting President Roosevelt of America, and the last sitting is the Joseph Stalin of Russia. These three, the main actually personalities attended the Yalta Conference. The main agreement reached between them, number one, these all three heads of the three countries, they wanted to bring one World Peacekeeping Organization. After a failure of the League of Nations, they wanted to set up one strong organization who can maintain world peace and security. That is why indirectly they are talking about the formation of the United Nations Organization. It was discussed in Yalta Conference, and all three leaders, they accepted the agreement. That is to bring forward one peacekeeping organization after the Second World War. Number two, they wanted actually free election to held in Eastern European countries. Free election to held in Eastern European countries. And third one, they also decided, all three leaders decided, they wanted to divide Germany into 4 zones: Eastern Germany, Western Germany, Northern Germany, and Southern Germany. According to the division, 4 heads, America, Britain, Russia, France, each zone they have received. And Joseph Stalin, who is sitting extreme corner, his country Russia got the Eastern Germany. It was also decided, not only German capital Berlin also will be decided into 4 zones. So here actually you have to understand, geographically Berlin situated in Eastern Germany. As Eastern Germany wholly got by Russia, so when again Berlin divide into 4 zones, that is a problem created. So Stalin are not agreed to actually by all democratic countries, America, Britain, France must be actually control the Berlin, which was actually in Eastern Germany. Not only that, but it is also, these three also agreed that to continue war against Japan. To continue war against Japan, because Japan not surrendered, that is why America dropped atomic bomb 2 cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, 6th and 9th August respectively, to end the Second World War. And here I am to say you one point for your kind information. Actually, America must be discussed before actually atomic bomb dropped to Japanese cities. Discussed with her friends Russia. Yeah, actually this fact was told to Britain but not to Russia, because you can understand the relation how deteriorated between Stalin and American president. So it was one of the cause, again another point of the why Cold War widened between East and West. This is also one of the important fact that dropping of the atomic bomb, it was told to Britain, not to Russia. Indirectly threat given to actually Russia. So this all point, they all three leaders agreed, but only one point they have not agreed, that is Second World War began when Germany attacked Poland, but 1st September 1939. Since that, Poland under actually German control. But when Germany badly defeated, Hitler badly defeated 1943-44 onwards, and he surrendered, and it was said Hitler suicided. That time, Russia captured Poland. Russia again captured Poland, and pro-communist government there already set up. But here one point America and Britain not agreed with Russia, that is the Germany order and Nice, these two rivers, and Germany most of the area under the communist government. That fact actually not agreed by Joseph Stalin. This is the disagreement reached between East and West. So that you have to study systematically the meaning of Cold War, then why there is a ideological differences between Eastern satellite countries and Western countries, that means America and Russia, how it led to the Cold War. And already Council mentioned the following points of, to lead the Cold War, that is what I discussed with you today, that is the Yalta Conference. So that next conference, when it was held, a Potsdam conference, that is rift widened between East and West. Again I am repeating, East means those are communist country called Eastern, means Russian bloc, and Western means democratic pattern of society those are followed, that is American bloc. So that in that way Cold War continued. Sometime it is might be thaw, means the pause of the Cold War, but is continued. So we will discuss, it was quite lengthy chapter, we will discuss all the episodes of the Cold War. Next class, one after another class, we discuss one point. So you study well, read textbook carefully.